So I uploaded a video 2 years ago and then I just vanished, but now I'm back. Hello there and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra and this channel will be focused on becoming the best version of yourself. I'm taking you along my journey and hopefully inspire a couple of you guys out there to improve your life as well. So we have 5 months left in 2025 and we are locking in. I personally am kicking off the rest of this year with the Future You Challenge from Bec Stewart. This is a 4-week challenge that she's hosting, which focuses on becoming the best version of your future you. I'm going to link her channel as well as her Instagram below, so make sure to follow her. First week of the challenge, my goal was to work out 5 times, which I did, but to be honest, one session was a mini workout, but let's keep that between us. The challenge of the second week is to revamp one of your routines. So either your morning routine, your night routine, your fitness routine, whatever you want to choose. I personally chose my night routine because trust me, it needed some work. My ultra-human ring is screaming at me every morning that I did not get enough deep sleep and that my brain is aging faster. And to be honest, that is just unacceptable to me. So here are the 3 habits that I implemented starting this week.
See? The ring again. Time to stretch your legs. I don't have time to stretch my legs right now. Anyways.
The first habit is cleaning before bed, because there's nothing better than to wake up to a clean kitchen or home in general. I'm pretty good about cleaning it, but every once in a while I can't be bothered to clean the sink before going to bed. The second habit is EFT tapping. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. And I've seen people on TikTok either do the tapping or just talk about how life-changing it was for them, and I've always wanted to try it. So I started this week. It is supposed to help with stress, anxiety, insomnia, and even physical pain. One study found out that EFT tapping increased happiness by 31%. So there are 9 points mainly on your face which you tap in a specific order. Start by tapping the side of your hand underneath your pinky. You can choose if you want to do your left hand or your right hand. Then you move on to the spot in between your eyebrows, the side of your eye, underneath your eye, under the nose, under the lip, on your collarbone. You can either do one hand or both, like I do. Then under your arm, beneath your armpit. And the last point is the top of your head. And I just like to do this a couple of times. I've seen people say that you should tap 5 to 7 times for each point, but honestly I do not count them. But EFT tapping is not about the tapping alone. So before you even start tapping, you should focus on a feeling or a belief that you want to release. For example, when you're stressed, you can say, I'm feeling stress in my body right now, but I'm ready to release. And then you repeat this statement or slight variations of it while you're tapping. So you're tapping on the side of your hand and saying, I'm feeling stress in my body right now, but I'm ready to release it. I'm feeling stress in my body right now, but I'm ready to release it. I'm feeling stress in my body right now, but I'm ready to release it. And then you just move through the different tapping points. Typically, you should also rate your feeling from 0 to 10. So for example, before you start tapping, your stress level is pretty high at an 8. Then you do the EFT tapping, and after you're done, your stress reduced to a level 5. Has it been life-changing for me already? To be honest, it's been 3 days, but so far I really enjoyed it. I've been sleeping really well the last couple of nights and I've doubled my deep sleep, which was a huge problem for me. It's still not where it should be, but progress over perfection. But to be honest, I also think that the increase in my deep sleep is probably a combination of different habits and not only the EFT tapping, but either way, I'm happy with my progress. And the third habit is reading before bed instead of scrolling on my phone. I really love reading, so this is not that difficult to implement for me. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's First Time Caller by Bec Stewart. So far, I like it, although it was a little bit boring in the beginning for me. It was a very slow burn. I'm halfway through, but I do enjoy it. And before bed, I want to focus on reading fiction books instead of self-development, self-help books, which I also enjoy. As my non-fiction book, I'm reading No Excuses by Brian Tracy right now, but as I said, not before bed. I just read this in the daytime, at least 10 pages a day, and I focus on fiction books before bed. So this is my new night routine for week 2 of the Future You Challenge, and so far it's going really well. My sleep has improved, so it's working. So if you want to get inspired to lock in for the rest of this year, or just watch me on my journey and whether I will stick to it this time or disappear from the face of the earth again after this video, subscribe, stick around and find out. See you in the next one, hopefully. Bye!